by popular demand.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You're watching On Simone with your girl Simone. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you are notified when I post new videos. If you're returning, hey girl, hey, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll do a much requested eyebrow tutorial. If you follow me on my Instagram @_onsimone_, then you'll know that I've been doing the 30-day makeup challenge, and this lovely pink look is today's look. Without further ado, let's get your brows together and join me as I teach you how. So let's get started. We will go over the products that I am using today for this video. We're gonna have our Loreal Paris Infallible Concealer. I've used this in my everyday makeup routine video, as well as my E.L.F ultra thin pencil. That's like the deepest brown. And then can't have a makeup tutorial without the LA Girl Pro Concealer, as well as two LA Colors lip pencils. If you're a part of the squad already, then you know I am a dual purpose girl. We use products for multiple uses here. So let's get started. We have our wash face, and then we're just going in with the spoolie portion of the E.L.F brush, and we're just gonna brush those brows up for that lifted look. And as you can see with my brows, I have more hair on this side than I do on this one. This is a little sparse. I believe that I over-nared this side, to be honest. Over-nared it, and then what is a little brow razor. I just shaved too much off of this side, trying to create a higher arch on this eye because my hair does grow a little lower on this side. Then I'm going to go in with the E.L.F, and I really don't have anything left on this, but it is enough to make a line. And then I'm just gonna go below. As you can see the line here, I'm just gonna go below it, follow it, and go straight, and then drop it to tail off, and that will create a subtle arch instead of a deep arch. And then we're gonna do the same for this side, drop the arch. So it's very faint. This is great if you want subtle brows, but I like my brows to be a little bit darker. As you can see, the pencil is lighter than my brows. My brows are a bit black. My hair is dark brown, but for some reason my brows are black, but they're not black. So with our two LA Colors, I have deepest brown, and then I have chocolate. So this is chocolate, and this is deep chocolate, deepest brown. And I'm gonna go in with the deepest brown first, and we're gonna go not starting at the front. We're gonna start like midways to the front, and then in the middle, in the tail, and fill it in. And then light baby strokes to fill in the brows. And then kind of clean it up like such. And then for a bit of highlight, I'm going to go in the front for that ombre effect with chocolate. And chocolate is more of like a reddish chocolate on my skin tone. It's milk chocolate, but it shows up more of a reddish tone, which I don't mind. I typically use only the chocolate brow pencil when I am going with a lighter color hairstyle, or not even hairstyle. Your girl wears wigs. Yes, I do. So I typically, when I wear my blonde or highlighted colors, go in with the chocolate to lighten my brows. As you see here, this is what it looks like. And it's okay if you mess up, because we're going to go back and clean it up. So we're going to go back on this side. And like I said, midways, you want to leave like the first quarter, not even a quarter, first part of the brow, like maybe a half of an inch of the brow here, untouched, because we're going to brush that out. and you want to be able to have that gradient like light effect to not make them super drawn. And then soft strokes upwards and out to fill in that brow and have hair-like motions. And then I always go in on the tail of my finger to fix it. And this is what my brows are looking like. And they do not match yet. Going in with the chocolate. Going in a little further inward. I'm going to go back on this side with the deepest brown. Light strokes over that chocolate. Deepest brown. Is this deepest brown? Yeah. Over that. And that's what we have done. And then go back with the spoolie. Brush it. And we're going to take our concealer. L'Oreal, I had this in the shade 405. If you watch my videos, you know this is a little too light. I needed a deeper, darker color, but you would think 405 Toffee would be dark enough, and it is not. So we're going to go in. I mean, it does a trick for highlighting the brow. I also, if you have been following me on Instagram, have been doing 30 days of makeup, and I've been using the hard candy pencil, eyebrow pencil, to do the highlighted portion under my brows instead of the concealer. I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in Toffee. Now look at this. This is Toffee from L'Oreal. This is Toffee from LA Girl. Something in the sauce is not adding up, ladies and gentlemen. L'Oreal, I'm gonna need y'all to get y'all colors together because this is a big difference. Both are Toffee. Not the same. Not the same, baby girl. Not the same. L'Oreal needs to rename their shades because, no ma'am, she is not Toffee. She is closer to our Sandcastle that I use instead of concealer, our liquid Catsuit from Wet n Wild. She is closer to Sandcastle. This is Sandcastle. Let's put her beside it. Even Sandcastle is darker than the Toffee, but that's here nor there. Whoop. And be very gentle with those lines. And just blend it on down. And then I'm going to flip the brush over to the opposite side to do the top. And you always want, well, you don't have to, but I watched a video and I just like the way it looked with your foundation color on the top of the brow. It looks more natural. You can take some of that product and go back in and over the bottom if it's too light like mine is, to darken it up a bit. And then we're gonna do the other side. So and go back in and then blend it down. And as you can see, this one is a little more square than this one is. And to fix that, if I want it, I like this one a little bit more than I do this one. So to fix that, I just go back in with deepest brown. underneath it. And then we just clean it up. And then to ombre it, you just drag the excess the opposite way. And sometimes I just pat it over top. And then we just go in and brush our eyebrows. That is my eyebrow tutorial of a beginner how-to with brows. And I don't use brow pencils, I use lip liners. The consistency is a little more creamier and it just works and glides better for me. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell if you are new and you have stayed to the end of this video, so you are notified when I post new videos. Prior to Squad, thanks for watching. Until we have another video, remember to stay blessed, stay true, stay you. Bye.